20 car gadgets curated from hundreds of reviews. 3 will save you in an emergency. 5 make your car feel 10 years newer. And the one at number 1 isn't even what you'd call a gadget. Hit subscribe so the next list finds you. Comment which one of these you already own. Let's start at 20. Number 20. RESQME Keychain Escape Tool 2-pack for $11.50. Fits on your keys, breaks tempered glass with one strike, cuts a jammed seatbelt in seconds. Reviews are full of "I never thought I'd need this" stories that end with "This saved my life." For lunch money, it lives on your keychain forever. Number 19. Drop Stop. Shark Tank's most enduring car invention. 2 pieces for $25. Plugs the gap between seat and console. Every phone, every French fry, every pair of sunglasses you've ever lost down there. Buyers say it took 10 minutes to install and ended that frustration forever. Number 18. THISWORX Portable Car Vacuum. $19 and arguably the longest running car vacuum bestseller out there. Plugs into 12-volt, 16-foot cord reaches every footwell of every car size. 3 attachments, washable filter, light enough for one-handed use. Reviews keep calling out the suction to price ratio. The vacuum people actually keep buying. Number 17. SNAILAX Vibration Massage Seat Cushion, $54. 6 motors plus heat. Plug into the accessory port and a 2-hour highway drive feels like a chair massage session. Heat mode for winter, separate zones for upper back and thighs. Reviewers consistently report buying a second one for the office chair. Number 16. DRILLBRUSH. The original drill-powered cleaning brush kit, $35 for 4. Chuck them into any cordless drill. Scrub wheels, mats, upholstery, grout in a fraction of the time. The before and after demos on the DRILLBRUSH channel are oddly hypnotic. After cleaning one set of wheels with these, the manual scrub brush goes in the trash. Number 15. Wireless Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System, $35. 4 external sensors with a windshield-mounted color display that auto-dims at night. Solar panel handles the charging. You never plug it in or replace batteries. Reviewers consistently report catching slow leaks before they turn into a flat. Real-time pressure for all 4 tires. The cheap way. Number 14. Slime Smart Spare Emergency Flat Tire Kit, $50. Liquid sealant and a 12-volt compressor in one case. Flat on a back road, pull over, hook it up, 15 minutes later, you're driving to the shop. Reviews call it the kit that lets you skip the spare entirely. Number 13. Adams Mini Foam Cannon, $55. Attaches to your pressure washer, turns soap into a thick blanket of snow foam that pulls dirt off the paint instead of grinding it in. The Adams detailing channel demonstrates this constantly. Once you've washed a car with foam, the bucket and mitt method feels primitive. Number 12. LECTRON Tesla to J1772 EV Charging Adapter 108. Plugs your non-Tesla electric car into Tesla's supercharger network. 48 amps, 240 volts, works with destination chargers and home connectors. Until 2026, this was impossible. Now it's $100 and a stocking stuffer for any EV driver in your life. The largest charging network in America just became multi-brand. Number 11. WAGAN 12-volt Heat and Cool Soothing Seat Cushion, $70. Peltier Cooling. Actual cold air, not just a fan blowing on you. Plug into the accessory port and the seat goes from summer asphalt to comfortable in under 2 minutes. Heat mode handles winter. Reviewers in Phoenix and Vegas treat this as non-negotiable summer gear. Top 10. Tap like if you're still with me. That's literally how more drivers find this. From here on, every product solves a problem you've probably ignored. Number 10. AAWIRELESS 2 Wireless Android Auto Adapter, $60. Plug it in once. From then on, Android Auto connects automatically when you start the car. No cable fumbling, no Bluetooth dance, no friction. iPhone drivers have had wireless CarPlay for years. Android drivers spent that whole time watching enviously. Now it's plug and forget. The cabin clutter stays gone. Number 9. LEVOIT Smart True HEPA Car Air Purifier, $90. Real high-efficiency particulate air filtration in a cup holder unit. App-controlled, app-tracked particle count. Drive near a wildfire, behind a smoking diesel, or on a high pollen day, the difference is measurable. Reviews mention it as the device they didn't know they wanted until the readings actually changed. Number 8. Backtrack S80 Pro Breathalyzer 130. Police grade fuel cell sensor. Department of Transportation approved. Exactly the device officers carry. Lives in the glove box. After 2 drinks at a dinner, you blow before you turn the key. It removes guesswork from a decision nobody should be guessing on. The price of one driving under the influence lawyer covers 1,000 of these. Number 7. Bissell Spot Clean Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner 140. Deep extracts coffee, pet, mystery sludge stains from car seats and floor mats. Detailers charge $200 for an interior clean. This pays for itself on the first weekend. Bissell's own demo videos are unsettling in how much dirt they pull from an apparently clean seat. Number 6. Halo Bolt Air Plus 130. Jump starter, tire inflator, and 4-port USB hub in one sleek brick. Holds charge for months. Reviews praise it as the only car emergency device they didn't have to remember to charge. It looks more like a designer object than a tool. Dead battery at 9 p.m.? Solved before the AAA call connects. Top 5. Hit like if any of these are already in your cart. Comment your guess for number 1. Bet you don't get it. Number 5. Vantrue N4 3-channel dashcam 160. Front 4K, interior 1080p, rear 1080p. Every angle, every drive, every time. The interior camera matters more than people realize. Parking lot dings, sideswipe disputes, anything happening inside the car. Sony Starvis 2 sensor gives readable night footage. Rideshare drivers buy this first. Everyone else figures it out after their first incident. 160 for evidence that ends arguments. Number 4. Disc Lock Security Steering Wheel Lock 270. A solid steel disc that wraps the entire steering wheel. Cannot be cut with an angle grinder. Cannot be smashed with a hammer. UK insurance companies offer discounts for owning one. That's how seriously the data treats it. The visible deterrent alone reroutes thieves to the next car. Reviews specifically credit it with the theft attempt that didn't happen. Number 3. Noco Boost X GBX 55 Lithium Jump Starter 370. 1,750 amps. Jumps gas engines up to 7 liters, diesels up to 4.5. The USB power delivery 60-watt port charges a MacBook from dead in about an hour. Noco's ultra-safe lithium tech can't be reverse charged or sparked, even if you clamp it wrong. Lives in the glove box holding charge for a year between uses. The reason every car YouTuber owns one, and the reason every car owner eventually does too. Number 2. Anker 535 Powerhouse 450. A 512 watt-hour portable power station that fits behind the front seat. Runs a fridge, charges a laptop, jumpstarts a car, powers the air mattress on a camping weekend. Charges from a wall outlet or from your 12-volt while you drive. Reviews repeatedly call it the upgrade that turned a hatchback into a viable road trip base camp. Anker's reputation does the rest. Number 1. Remember the intro, not even a gadget? Costs more than every product above. After this, your car isn't really just a car anymore. Number 1. Dometic CFX2 28 12-volt portable compressor fridge freezer 704. Not a cooler, an actual refrigerator that plugs into your car and runs from -7 degrees to 50. Reason 1. Keeps groceries frozen on a 4-hour summer drive. Steaks survive Phoenix in July. Reason 2. Turns your car into a road trip kitchen. 3 days of meals without checking a bag of ice every 2 hours. Reason 3. Runs on 12-volt without draining your battery thanks to low-power compressor design. Every other product here makes driving better. This one makes the car a different category of object. Dometic has been the industry standard for 30 years. They earned that. 20 products, all on the table right now. Drop your number 1 below. Comments tell me what to find next. Subscribe. Next list lands next week, and number 1 on that list is too weird to fit in the title. The best upgrade is the one you actually buy.